In this Beehiiv subscribe form tutorial, I will show you how you can set up a subscribe form for your Beehiiv newsletter. So make sure to watch until the end so that you do it properly and so that you know how you can actually do this. Now, first of all, if you want to do this, you will need to have the skill plan on Beehiiv, because here you will get access to survey forms and polls, which is what we want. We want the form builder. So if you want to get started with the skill plan and get a 30-day free trial, no credit card required, then click on the link down in the description. Then from here, just go and click on get started and just upgrade to the skill plan. So right here in my account, I am currently in the free trial of the skill plan. Now what you want to go and do is here under the audience section, click on the drop down and click subscribe forms. Now here click create new forms so you can create customizable and embeddable email subscribe forms for your other website. So click create new form. Now here give your form a name. So I recommend just giving it the name of where you're going to edit. For example, WordPress. Then here choose a header, so this could be the name of your newsletter, then a description, so what is your newsletter all about. Then here you can choose what you want to have in the input placeholder, so I recommend just doing enter your email, but you can do a slight variation, but you want to make clear that people need to put their email there. Then for the button text, you can do subscribe, or if it's some kind of an offer, you can say get now, or whatever you want to do. Now here for the color palette, it used the same one that I used on the website, but you can just change it by clicking on it. For example, if I want it to be kind of a green color, then I can also select that through here. Then for the background color, you can also pick that, then the text color and the button text color. Now in this case, I'll just make it a kind of orange color. Now here you can choose the typography, so the font of the header, the body and the button, so you can just choose that from there. And then after the submission, you can choose what you want to show. So show a success message, you can write it right there. Done, you will now get the newsletter, something like that. Or you can redirect to an external page, so simply enter the link to that page. Now you can also remove emails from the redirect URL, but I'll just keep it like this and click save. So after you do that, you will see the form right here. Now you can click view, and now here you have a preview of what it will look like. And if you want to remove the Beehiiv branding, you will need to get the more premium max plan right here to remove the Beehiiv branding. Again, if you want to get a 30-day free trial on that plan as well, without adding payment details, then you can also claim that through the link in the description. However, for now, this is fine for me. Now you can choose if you want it to be the full width, the fixed width right here, or a slim embed. So you can see all of them, what it looks like. So this right here is the slim embed. So if you want to embed that onto your website, just take all of this code and go and copy it, and then you can implement that onto your website. But for example, I like this one, so I'll take this one. So now you can embed this code directly in line with your website, and it will expand to the specified maximum width. Now you can also add this, the attribution tracking. So then you need to copy this code right here. So just choose how you would like to embed it and then embed it onto your website. Now I cannot show you exactly how to do that because it differs for every single website builder, but it's important to just take the entire code, copy it, and then you will get the thing that it shows under here on your website. Now usually you can just add an HTML block to your website or some kind of a code block, and then you can add the code in there. Now, if you want to create more forms, just click create new form, or you can edit your currently existing one. For example, enter your email here. You can change any color you want, etc. So now you know how to create a subscribe form using Beehiiv. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. And again, if you want to get started with Beehiiv completely for free, so that can be the launch plan, the skill plan, or the max plan, then you can do that through the link in the description and get a 30-day free trial without any payment details. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.